any idea what these are, it was strange to see them clustering around on my Japanese maple. There were no visible wounds on the tree, and I couldn't find anything similar with a Google search. The bugs were gone the next day, but it was strange to see them congregating like that. And this is Daniel, right? So do we know what that is?
Oh, yes, we do. Yes, I've had them on my
well,
crepe
you've
myrtle.
had them before.
Yeah, I've had them
you
on my crepe
shared a video
myrtle.
with me about that before. Yeah.
They're bark lice.
Yeah.
And they don't really harm the plants. They're good bugs for birds and other predatory bugs to eat, but they don't really hurt plants. Yeah. I don't know why they congregate like that. I don't know that much about their history, but they appear, and then they leave.
Go. Right, yeah. And some people call them, I know Dr. Frank Hale would say they're herds of bark lice. Yeah, herds. Yeah, because they all congregate, together. But then they're harmful. He did say that they would eat organic, debris, organic matter, fungi, of course, lichens. I mean, they would eat. So that's actually beneficial in a sense.
Yeah, that is kind of beneficial.
Yeah, so I don't think they're beneficial in a sense, but other than that, they're fine. Yeah, they're there and they go away.
They're gone.
Yeah. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.